The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. But there you are again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, heavy winds and rainfall from the hurricane that is known as Hurricane Elsa had hit some of the leeward islands that is within the Caribbean. And I saw different videos circulating on social media that shows some things that happened in at least 2 of these Caribbean islands. You see? Now I'm going to present to you some of these videos that have been put out there on social media that shows some of the things that happened within some of the leeward islands within the Caribbean because of Hurricane Elsa. You see me? And I wanted to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone, so viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows some things that happened within a country that is known as Barbados because of Hurricane Elsa. Alright, now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Bye, don't laugh. What
Bye.
He know Lucia Robbie one boy. Oh my god. That know Lucia Robbie one. See, brother Robbie in there.
Oh my goodness,
Alright, so that's Barbados viewers and subscribers. Now I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows some things that happened within the country that is known as St. Vincent and the Grenadines because of heavy rain and winds from the hurricane that is known as Hurricane Elsa. See, all these videos have been recorded within the 2nd of July the year 2021. Alright, some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Nah.
Alright, so those videos shows some things that happened within St. Vincent and the Grenadines due to the effects from Hurricane Elsa. Alright, now I'm going to present to you one video that shows some things that happened within the country that is known as St. Lucia due to the effects from Hurricane Elsa. See, viewers and subscribers, and I read this video shows how wind and rain from Hurricane Elsa have the trees moving side to side. You know, some things shown in this video. Viewers and subscribers, this video had been recorded live. Alright, so let me know what you think about this video as well. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Alright, I did not get any confirmed information about anyone who had died or anyone who got injured due to how Hurricane Elsa affected the Leeward Islands within the Caribbean. But if I get any form of information about any fatalities or any injuries, even if the information is about an update about Hurricane Elsa, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know what's going on. Alright, so you can check the comment section of this video. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, and you can let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.